All right, to undo a quiz or a exam that you have set up using random blocks where it will pull X amount of questions from true, false, fill in the blank, multiple choice, all of those things, you cannot do it on a test that has already been run. So there's no part of crying over spilt milk or any of those good, tough grin and bear it statements. But we can do it on future tests, and this is how it works. Under Course Tools, I'm going to come into Test Surveys and Pools. And then I'm going to come into Tests. And you can see here are all of these quizzes and stuff. I actually want to come into how to use pools, and this is a sample test, so please don't expect to find this in your test areas. These are the random blocks where we have these different options here. What do we have to do? We cannot just edit this random block. Well, I suppose we can. All right. So we can edit that random block. And then down here in the question types, if we don't want to fill in the blanks, we can not check that and we can add a different one like true, false. And then we can just hit submit. So if you have run the exam, you cannot edit the random block. You can delete it, but you cannot edit it. But that's how you can change it. You can just come in and edit. Choose the chapter, so I can do chapters 5 and 6 now. And then check the question types that I want. And then submit. As far as the number of questions to display, we can change that as well. So I can have 20 questions pulled from either multiple choice or true false. And here are some of the questions that then can be seen. So I hope that helps you change some of the question settings that you've had. If you have a fill in the blank question that is troubling you because it's difficult for students to get them exactly right, let's see if I can find a fill in the blank question. Let's see. We're going to add a fill in the blank question. So we're going to find questions, and you'll see this in just a minute. And I am looking for fill in the blank. Oh, of course, there's not any on that one. All right. So I'm going to select this item and then submit it. All right, so now it's part of my quiz. Fill in the blank. So if I edit this question,